Samsung has spent the last few years showing us its unique approach to laptops and convertibles. Last year at CES, we were left desiring the Windows variant for the Samsung Chromebook Pro, and let's just say it's finally here. I'm Jaime Rivera with Pocketnow, with Jules Wang reporting from CES 2018 in Las Vegas, and let's dive in. Now, before we go through the latest and greatest, Samsung also gave us a glimpse at its product refresh for the lineup. Let's start with the Notebook 7 Spin that follows on its name and its ability to have its display spin into tent mode and even give you the option to be used as a tablet when you need to. It features a 13-inch touch display and all the I/O you can ask for, which goes up to the fact of including USB 3, HDMI, and yes, there is a fingerprint scanner on the side that reminds us of what the Galaxy flagships brought in the past. Spec-wise, we're talking about options that include 8 GB of RAM, and the processor can range from an Intel Core i7 or i5. Now, the Notebook 9 series is a different animal. We're talking about two laptops in the lineup with a ton of power. You have a choice between a 13 and a 15-inch diagonal display that's also touch-sensitive. Now, both have the same I/O, at least in appearance, but the 15-inch model includes Thunderbolt 3 support on the USB-C connector, while the 13-inch model only offers USB. Ergonomics here are huge, with the display being able to fully rest flat on the surface, and there's also a fingerprint scanner on the keyboard for convenience. 8 GB of RAM and a Core i7 processor come standard on both. Where the larger variant shines is with the option of a 16 GB of RAM model that includes an NVIDIA GeForce MX 150 graphics card. And then there is the star of the show, which is this 13-inch Notebook 9 pen. It looks a lot like the others, even up to the magnesium alloy on its finish, but the treat here is in the rest of its capabilities. The internals are very similar, but Windows Hello here has the addition of an iris scanner, something that's hard to find on notebooks. And then the cherry topper is the fact that it includes an S Pen, and I'm not just talking about your standard stylus, this is truly an S Pen, up to the fact that it looks identical to the one included on the Galaxy Note 8. But the only difference here is the latch to pull it out. And then most important, if you pull out the stylus, we have the same pop-up menu of the Note 8, and the same applications of the Note 8 that support the stylus, in addition to also having it support Windows Ink capable applications. And yes, that's because all these computers run Windows 10, and we should have a solid price and launch date in the next coming weeks, so stay tuned. While that happens, make sure you follow us on social media and subscribe to our channel. The top card will take you to our Samsung Galaxy Note 8 review, and the bottom to our iPhone 10 review. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I am Jaime Rivera with Jules Wang. Stay tuned for more coverage from CES 2018.